Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my fifth and final look using the Urban Decay Born to Run palettes, and I really like the way that this look turned out today. Like, it's very fall, and you know, we're definitely in fall now. So if you guys would like to see this makeup look, just keep on watching. And also too, I have a code sore. I just feel like I need to let you guys know this so you're not asking what's wrong with my lip. But I have a code sore on my lip, so if you see that, that's what's going on. But if you would like to see how to do this look, just keep on watching. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to use the shade Weekender in my crease, and I'm just going to blend that in with the Morphe M573 brush. Then I'm just going to go in with this color Riff, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M433. And I wanted to put down Weekender first just to help this color in Riff blend a little better, because Riff is almost a little too dark as a crease color for me, and I just find that Weekender helps to blend it a little bit more. I'm just gonna kind of work some of that here in the outer V just a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade Ignite, and I'm just applying that with just like a flat shader brush. And to intensify this, I'm just going to get some on the brush and just spray it with a makeup setting spray. I just always do that if I want an eyeshadow to be more intense. That's just my little trick, to get some of the shadow on the eyeshadow brush and then mist it with the makeup setting spray. So I'm going to grab some of Punk. I'm just taking one of my Wet n Wild small concealer brushes, and I'm just patting that out here. Then I'm going to go back with some more Ignite and just kind of blend the edge of it there. I'm going to take some more of Punk on this Morphe M506, and I'm just going to blend this in the outer V. I'm going to go back with some more Riff and just blend around the edge. Grab some more Punk, blend. Okay, then I'm going to grab just a little bit of Jet. I just want to deepen this up a little bit more. Going back with a little bit more Weekender, just blending that at the top of the crease. On the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Punk, and I'm just going to smudge that here on the lower lash line. For my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this color in Breakaway. For my waterline, I'm just using this NYX Slide On Glide On pencil in Golden Bronze. Then for my liquid liner, I'm just going to use this Wet n Wild Breakout Proof Waterproof Liquid Liner in the color Black. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Just like a light coating of this, because I'm going to use some half false lashes on my outer corners. And then after I get those applied, I'll go back in with some more mascara. I showed you guys the last time that I wore false lashes, but I'm going to be using these Ardell Wispies, the 113s. And I just cut them in half, and I'm using like this front piece on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm just applying this Duo 2-in-1 brush on glue in the black color. And I'm just gonna paint, if you can see, and then I'm just gonna like paint that on along the edge here of the lashes. Then I'm just gonna wait for a second for this to get like slightly tacky before I drop it, before I place it on my lash line. And luckily with that lash glue, it gets tacky pretty quick, so you don't have to wait too long. I've just really been loving using corner lashes like this. I don't know, I feel like it draws my eyes up and it doesn't look too dramatic. And also like it looks more natural for me, and also they're just easier to wear, because I always have issues with the inner corner, like false lashes like bothering the inner corner of my eye. So this is like a good solution to that. Okay, then once the glue dries, I'm gonna curl my lashes up and apply some more mascara. And also, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and mist my face with my makeup setting spray, and I'm just using the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. So now I'm just using my Tarte eyelash curler to curl up my lashes. It just kind of helps to blend the false lashes with my natural lashes. And then I'm just blending, just applying some more mascara to blend my natural lashes with the false ones. So that is the 5th and final look with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. If you're curious about what other products I used on my face, like what foundation or concealer, blush, all that, I'll have it linked down below in the description box for you guys. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this series using the Urban Decay Born to Run. I had so much fun coming up with all the looks. It really got me like to use this palette and to experiment with the colors. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this series so far. So next month I'll be starting on the 2nd most requested palette from my collection. I'll be doing 4 to 5 different looks with that palette. And this is not part of the series, but I recently picked up the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, and I will still be doing some more looks with this palette as well. I just wanted to let you guys know in case any of you all were curious about that. But before I close out this video, I wanted to read out of my devotion book to you guys, and I also wanted to show you all my outfit of the day. So the scripture for today's reading is from Jeremiah 32 verse 17. All sovereign Lord, you have made the heavens and the earth by your great power and outstretched arm. Nothing is too hard for you. God moments everywhere. May salvation spring up all around you. May you see lives changed, relationships restored, and bodies healed everywhere you turn. May your expectancy of what God can and wants to do in your midst rise exponentially. He is a star-breathing, miracle-working, intimately involved God. Bless your day today. And this is what the little picture looks like. Just know that there is nothing too hard for God. Like, He made the heavens, He made the earth, and if you put your trust in Him, He's going to take care of you. I feel like I say the same thing every time I read these devotions, but so I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys my outfits. Make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see, and make sure the light's turned up all the way. There we go. So this is another one of those Amazon dresses. Like, I just love these dresses so much. They're gonna be really cute for like the winter or like in the fall when it starts to get a little bit colder. Like, it's not too cold today. I think the high is gonna be like upper 70s, almost 80s. So I kind of have a little bit of fall going on with like my shoes. Like, they look kind of like booties, but they're still, you know, kind of summery because of the open toe. Summery. That sounded weird. And then this necklace that I have on, I got from Target like a couple weeks ago, so I'll try to link that down below for you guys. And I'll link the dress down below as well, but this is just, I think, the burgundy one. And I've talked about these shoes before. They're from the brand Rampage, and I don't think the company makes them anymore, like this style. And then I was going to show you guys, of course, like my layering pieces. You guys know I always wear jackets and scarves. I mean, honestly, I kind of wear scarves year round, but definitely in the fall, I always like to have a jacket with me because you never know how it's going to be. But this is the scarf I'm going to wear. I feel like I've showed you guys this scarf a couple of different times now, but this is from Kohl's. Maybe I haven't showed this to you guys yet, but I think this was from the brand Apartment 9, and I got this from Kohl's last year. So I don't think they make this anymore, but if I can find it online, I will link it down below. And then for my jackets, this jacket is such a nice jacket. It's a blue jean jacket that I got off of Amazon. Like, it's really great quality material. Like, the bottom part of it is just like a raw hem, and then the back has, you know, it's not a raw hem, but it's just like a regular hem on denim. But this jacket is so nice, and I think I only paid like $31 for it. And I feel like from other brands, if you were to buy a jacket like this, it would probably cost anywhere from like $50 to like $80. So such a nice blue jean jacket, and I love like the raw hem on it. Like, it's just so, like, it adds like a cool element. It has pockets, but the pockets are kind of far back. So, but yeah, this is what the jacket looks like. And it does come in other like colors on Amazon. Like, I think it comes in either a dark blue or black color, which I've thought about getting. But yeah, it's such a nice jean jacket. And so yeah, this is what my outfit's gonna be today. It's like the lights are too bright now. But I hope that you guys did enjoy this series using the Urban Decay Born to Run. I will be starting a series next month, and I debated on whether I wanted to tell you guys or just like share it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and spoil it. So the palette that you guys picked, like the second most requested palette for my collection to see different looks done with, was the Milani Soft and Sultry. So this is what the palette looks like here. Just some nice like neutral, almost cool tone colors. So my next series for the month of October is going to be featuring different looks with this palette. And I haven't really checked the weeks in October, but it'll be anywhere from 4 to 5 different looks using this palette. So if you guys did enjoy this video today, please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.